You want to know the best niches to start with AI, so I spent the last 2 weeks generating AI videos to see which would fit my list of requirements and make it to the best channel ideas to start with AI. Niche number 1, the animal niche. This video right here has over 800,000 views, and all it is made of is a script, a voiceover, and B-roll footage, which is exactly what AI can do for us. I recreated this video idea within Video AI, which is the best AI video generator for Faceless YouTube videos, and it came up with an even better video than the original. All I had to do is enter a prompt telling it which video to make, and it then made the script, it added a voiceover, it found B-roll footage, as well as added subtitles when I asked it to, so that the viewer can read along. You want to know the best part? It took just 10 minutes to get the video done, and that is where the power of AI comes in. However, you cannot start just any niche with AI just yet, which is why in this video, I will cover the best video formats as well as niche ideas for you. When it comes to the animal niche, you can monetize this with the ads on your videos, for which they'll pay you about $4 per 1,000 views, which can already make up for some great money considering the fact that this channel has over 40 million views. That would be over $160,000 as the bare minimum. But on top of that, you can promote animal products and earn a commission every single time you bring in a sale, which is exactly what this channel is doing. They will send all of their viewers to the link in their bio, which if you click on that, it will bring you to an Amazon influencer page, which is a page that you can set up and list all sorts of products that will help out your audience, in this case, pet owners. This way, if someone clicks on this link right here and then goes ahead and buys this product right here, the channel owner will earn a commission. And if you're sending a lot of traffic, that can make up for a lot of money. Niche number 2, the travel niche. Now this one is actually a perfect fit for my list of requirements. Can you make a similar or even better video than the original using AI technology? In my opinion, if you could not make as good as or a better video using AI than your competitors are doing, whether they're using AI or not, in my opinion, it's going to be pretty hard to grow fast or even grow in the first place. Now, if the answer to that question is no, meaning you cannot make as good as or a better video, there's only one reason left to still go into that niche, which would be that there is little to no supply in that niche. But that's not all yet. In fact, there's actually something I like to focus on more than niches. I'll tell you about that in a bit, but first, let's take a look at a channel that does this, Touropia. They're currently getting 2.6 million views every month, and the best part is they haven't uploaded in 2 months, which means that the monthly revenue that they're bringing in as of right now is profit, because they've got zero costs. And yes, in this niche, we can easily make similar, if not better videos using AI. Now it's very simple to think, okay, this channel is currently making videos about the best places to visit, let me simply copy that. However, I wouldn't do that if I were you, because this channel just covers a few locations, and you could think, okay, this is what the travel niche is. However, I want you to be creative and think more broad. There's channels that showcase the best hotels to visit, the best restaurants to eat at, tourist scams to be aware of in every location, and there's so much more, which brings me to the most important part of this video. See, I get countless of DMs asking, Youri, what is the best niche to get started in on YouTube? Within each niche, you've got a sub-niche as well as video formats. And that's where I've seen most of my YouTube success, by coming up or by finding underrated video formats rather than a very broad niche. For Touropia, yes, they are in the travel niche, but let's actually study their winning video format. If we analyze their mega popular videos, we can see that all of them are about certain locations in the world to visit in combination with an insane video length. You can see 35 minutes, 25 minutes, 28 minutes, 35 minutes, even 42 minutes right here. And creating videos like this can easily be done within Video AI by entering a prompt like this. Create a 50-minute travel guide for best destinations to go to in Europe during the summer of 2024. Use a mild voiceover and relaxing background music. Here's a few things you want to consider when making the video with AI. Make sure to mention the length you want the video to be, what kind of voiceover you would like the video to have, as well as the type of background music that you would like. As soon as you've done that, you can click on Generate a Video, and the AI will now create the entire video for you. They'll then ask you who the video is meant for: travel enthusiasts, summer vacationers, Europe explorers, and depending on what your video is about, this will show different filters. I will stick to travel enthusiasts, I will change to summer for the look and feel, since that's what we're doing, and then the platform should be YouTube. Click continue, and as soon as this is done, which may take just a few minutes, we should have a very similar video as Touropia. So while in Video AI is generating our video in the background, I want to give you a quick quick tip when using this to make videos. Taking a look at the prompt that we just gave in Video AI, this is what it looks like. Now this will do the job, however, you can make an even better, more targeted video by using a better prompt. So right now I mentioned the best destinations to go to, but I did not include anything specific, which I could actually do. So if I go to ChatGPT and ask it to give me a list of the 10 best places to visit in Europe during the summer of 2024, it will spit out a top 10 list that I can then include in my prompt, and then in Video AI will use that in the script. This way, you can kind of do a little bit more of quality control when making your videos. And there we go, our entire video is now done, and as you can see, if I play it for you, it will have a script, video footage, as well as a voiceover.
Next, we travel to France, the land of love and lights. This is a place where romance intertwines with history, where every street corner has a story to tell, where every mouthful of food is a culinary journey.
Let's say you don't like a specific part of the video, what you can do is change it very quickly. You can do that by clicking on edit right here and then simply replacing any of the B-roll stock footage by searching for it yourself. For example, different opening clip of Paris, I can just search for Paris right here and then replace it with any of the clips from here by simply clicking and then clicking apply changes. And the same goes for the script. If you click edit script, you can find the entire script, which is AI generated, and then you can replace anything by just typing it in here yourself. Now, even though that works just fine, what is even better is the command edit box, where you can simply tell it what to do and it will then do that. For example, change the opening clip to a drone shot of Paris, click generate, and it will do just that. As you can see, change media, and we now have a drone shot. Now you can try out in Video AI for free with the link in the description down below. And if you're serious about growing on YouTube and making high quality content, I do recommend taking a paid plan, which starts as low as just $20 a month. And by the way, if you want a full tutorial about in Video AI, I will leave a link to that video in the description down below. As for the RPM in this niche, it can be anywhere from $4 all the way up to $10 or even more, depending on where your viewers are from, as well as the video length, because the longer the video, the more ads you can place. Niche number 3, the health niche. This very simple video right here has over 8.5 million views. And believe it or not, 5 years ago, this video was made with an AI tool. This tool was called Vidnami. This was basically the first ever simple AI video maker. Now this video right here has easily generated over $40,000. And it doesn't stop there. They've got tons of videos with millions and millions of views. In total, their channel has 160 million views, which means that just in the AdSense revenue, they can be close to $1 million. And just like with the animal niche, apart from just AdSense revenue, you can promote all sorts of health products to your viewers and earn high commissions. Think about supplements that you can sell. Think about health foods and snacks, workout schedules, skincare products. The list is pretty much endless, and once again, there are a lot of different sub-niches as well as video formats within the overall health niche. For example, you can make a video about testosterone and get paid $114 per conversion if you were to promote this product right here. Other niches that you can consider are the motivation niche, the history niche, listicle videos within certain sub-niches and video formats, and the list goes on and on. So once you've chosen your niche, you need a bulletproof plan to get views. For that, watch my 1-hour free YouTube keyword research masterclass. I'll leave it up on the screen right here, as well as a link in the description down below, and then I'll see you there.